Welcome to yet another unboxing video, and today I've just received this from San Martin. This is the Turtle Homage, and I believe this is one of the new versions that was launched earlier this year. So I'm just going to cut open the plastic envelope from DHL. These days the shipping is pretty slow due to the global situation, so I think I waited for about 2 weeks for this to reach me. And as usual, we've got a smaller inner pack that is padded. Again, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut open this one. So alright, I've opened up the inner envelope, and this is the standard San Martin Pelican style box. These days they ship their watches in this kind of small little plastic cases. So I had to adjust the camera angle just a bit because it was really tiring for my neck, and we've got a slightly better camera angle now. So let me just open up this shipping box or the San Martin case. Let's see what's inside. Okay, wow, okay, another layer of padding. And okay, there you have it. This is the San Martin Turtle Homage, and I believe the newer version, these days they've got the Applied logo. Take a look here at 12 o'clock. They've got the Applied logo, and the rest of the watch is pretty uniform or standard with San Martin. You've got this shark embossed at the case back. Alright, so right, first impressions are pretty good. The strap is very soft, very nice. Maybe I'll just remove the protective film on screen now. Alright, I finally removed the protective film. It was really hard to remove. I had to use a pair of scissors to cut open the film, and here it is, the San Martin Turtle Homage in the flesh. Pretty good looking watch. You've got mix of brush and polish finishes on the case, and I would say, as usual, the casework is very good for a San Martin watch. Case back is nicely embossed, and in this case the markers are applied really nicely. We've got like squares and rectangles, and the handset is pretty nice too. We've got pencil hands, and the lume for the second hand is right at the end of the second hand. Let's take a look at the handset and alignment. I'm going to unscrew the crown for the first time, and let's check the hand alignment. Alright, first impressions are good. Alignment is decent, and winding action is pretty good as well. Watch doesn't feel too heavy, feels really nice when holding it. And let's check the bezel action. Oh, really nice and firm 60 click action from the San Martin Turtle Homage. Nice. Right, so I'm going to do a comparison between the San Martin Turtle Homage and a Seiko Turtle. So that video is going to come in the next few weeks. I'm going to do a full review of this watch first, and then I'll do the comparison video in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.